Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best flagpole rings is probably one of the most overlooked but crucial components for anyone who wants to display their flag with pride and keep it in top condition. In this video, we will explore what makes a great flagpole ring, helping you choose the perfect one to ensure your flag flies high and lasts for years to come, saving you money and frustration. Number 5. Flagpole Rings, Aluminum Alloy. These rings are designed for easy flag installation and smooth rotation. They're made from durable materials to withstand various weather conditions. It features a 360-degree rotating design, preventing the flag from wrapping around the pole, even in windy conditions. The upgraded screw ensures a secure hold. They're constructed from high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and stainless steel for superior strength and longevity. This ensures it can handle any weather. Easily adjusted to fit flagpoles with diameters between 0.75 and 1.02 inches. Simply use the two screws to secure it to your pole. Installation is quick and straightforward. Just slide it onto your pole, tighten the screws, and attach your flag. Refer to the instructions for proper orientation. What we like. It features a clever anti-wrap design and is made from high-quality materials. This ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you need a durable and easy-to-adjust flagpole ring, this is the one for you. What people say. The construction feels durable and well-made, with smooth rotation that prevents my flag from tangling or wrapping around the pole. These aluminum alloy flagpole rings were very easy to install and are a tremendous improvement over the plastic rings that were provided when we purchased the flagpole. Very high-quality replacement. It actually has a metal ring to support the clasp. Excellent product. Number 4. Flagpole Ring Set with bearings. It rotates 360 degrees freely. The smooth bearings prevent winding and allow your flag to wave freely. Remember to lubricate the bearings periodically for optimal performance. These are made of thickened premium aluminum alloy for extra durability. They're designed to withstand strong winds and won't easily come off your flagpole. They fit flagpoles with a diameter between 0.75 and 1.02 inches. Adjustable screws allow for a secure and customized fit. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, they're rustless, corrosion-resistant, and built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The set includes 2 rotating rings, 2 carabiners, and an Allen wrench for easy installation. It even comes in a gift box. What we like. Its smooth bearings allow for effortless 360-degree rotation. The thicker, premium aluminum alloy construction ensures lasting durability. If you prioritize smooth, free-flowing movement and long-lasting quality, this is your best bet. What people say. The flags spun evenly without any snarling. Being aluminum with ball bearings seems to give them enough heft to always swing back to neutral position. These have completely eliminated that issue, and my flag waves freely without any issues. Replaces the original plastic rings, eliminating constant flag wrapping around the pole. The stainless connection hooks are easy to use and won't rust. Number 3. Tangle Free Flagpole Rings. It's frustrating when your flag wraps around a pole. These rotating rings solve that problem, keeping your flag flying freely. Watch how it spins. This allows the flag to move naturally in the wind, preventing those annoying tangles. Simply attach it to your flagpole, adjust the position, and tighten the screw. It's that easy. Made from high-quality plastic, they're built to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. They'll last. These versatile rings fit most flagpoles and are designed to work with flags of all sizes. It's a perfect fit. You get 2 rings in each package, enough to keep your flags flying beautifully. Get yours today. What we like. This option boasts a tangle-free design and incredibly easy installation. It's made from durable, high-quality plastic, perfect for various weather conditions. If you value quick and simple installation and a reliable, tangle-free solution, this is it. What people say. The product performed exactly as advertised and was delivered right on time. I purchased these to replace the one that had cracked on my flagpole. I like that the product uses metal to tighten the ring on the pole. I have been using it for weeks now and it's fit perfectly and works as it should. I needed to replace my rusted brackets, these were a perfect replacement. Easy to install, holds my flag steady. Number 2. Flagpole Rings Kit. This kit includes 2 durable aluminum alloy rings designed for effortless flag display. They're built to withstand various weather conditions and ensure your flag flies freely. The stainless steel rings rotate 360 degrees, preventing the flag from wrapping around the pole. Enjoy a crisp, clean display in any breeze. These rings are crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel for lasting performance. They're resistant to rust, fading, and deformation. Easily adjust the rings to fit flagpoles between 0.75 and 1.02 inches in diameter. 2 screws provide a secure and customizable fit. 2 included aluminum hooks make attaching your flag quick and simple. Just connect the hook to the ring in your flag. Ensure the rings are positioned inward during installation for optimal performance. It's a simple process for a beautiful display. What we like. This offers a strong anti-wrap design and sturdy construction. The adjustable screw allows for a perfect fit on various flagpole sizes. If you need a reliable, adjustable, and weather-resistant option, this is a great choice. What people say. The rings are solidly constructed and come in a sturdy small box along with extra screws and a wrench for installation on our existing flagpole. My old flagpole was still in good condition, but the mounting rings were just poor quality and did not work right. The rings are made from aluminum alloy with a set screw to secure the ring to one position on the pole. The set screw allows you to freely adjust the bottom ring for different flags and sizes. The rings have 360-degree rotating flag mounts with a spring-loaded clip. This setup allows for free rotation of the flag in changing wind directions without tangling or wrapping around the pole. My flagpole was in great condition, but the mounting rings that came with it were made of plastic. Rather than replacing the pole kit, I found these mounting rings made out of stainless steel. They fit nicely, tighten easily, and looks great. Saved money and kept using my flagpole. Number 1. ANLEY Flagpole Rings. These rotating rings are designed to keep your flag tangle-free and looking its best. They're easy to install and built to last. The rotating design allows your flag to move freely, preventing tangles and tears. Enjoy a beautifully displayed flag without the hassle. It takes only seconds to attach these rings to your flag and pole. No tools are required. These rings are made to withstand the elements, ensuring your flag stays protected. They're a durable and reliable solution. With a 1-inch inner diameter, it's designed for standard flagpoles and flags with grommets. 2 rings are included in each pack. We're confident you'll love these rings. They're backed by our 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's designed for quick and easy installation, taking only seconds to set up. The premium quality ensures it can withstand outdoor elements. If you're looking for a simple, quick, and high-quality solution, this is the one. What people say. Purchase to keep our flag from getting all wound up. This product does a fantastic job. I slid them on and no more twisting flag and no more getting the ladder. I'm super happy. Simple to install, great idea. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.